Here we are at Club Nogal. In this place, there was a terrorist attack in 2000. Let's make sure I got my time right. 2000, yep, February 2003. And this was one of the worst attacks in the history of Bogota. And it's a nightclub, very popular with the elite. And on the night of February 7th, 2003, there was a terrible attack that killed a wide amount of people and injured many. Now, this is dedicated to those who were killed during this time. And he says, thank you. Gracias. We were just kicked out. So basically, this video is going to end because, well, we were kicked out by the security. But this is very important to understand how urban terrorism, like in the Centro Andino attack, is extremely difficult to root out. They do attribute it to the FARC, but was it the FARC? Sometimes you don't know. Oh, they don't let anyone in there now. They put up a memorial, but then they don't let anyone see it. But this was the attack, a huge nightclub. And we'll be reading about that attack in our class. Now they're far. Thank you. They're like, get out of here, you gringo. Here we are in the middle of Bogota, a very upscale area. And they're still nervous about attacks, obviously.